As you know, the Hussain Sagar is a pride of Hyderabad. Over the years, we have let down lot of sewerage, we have let lot of industrial effluents in the Hussain Sagar, and today it is in a state that it's not fit for any living beings. Even we don't have much of fish in the Hussain Sagar. It is in this context that the HMDA has taken up the cleaning of the Hussain Sagar Lake. Our strategy is very simple. We are diverting all the sewerage flow coming into the Hussain Sagar and diverting it into the sewerage channels. We are also keeping hydrology of the Hussain Sagar in mind and trying to allow only clean water into the Hussain Sagar. For that purpose, we have set up two STPs, one of 20 million liters per day, another of 30 million liters per day. With the IND structures, that is the intercepting and diverging structures, and the STPs, we achieve our primary objective of diverting all the flow of polluted water from the Hussain Sagar and allowing only clean water into the Hussain Sagar. Having done that, we have also taken up an exercise to remove the pollutants from the lake bed of the Hussain Sagar, and especially the mouths of the 4 nalas which are meeting the Hussain Sagar. The work has already started on dredging in the 4 nalas, and one more nala, which is the Kukatpalli nala, will be taken in due course of time. The problem there is that we have got hazardous sediments which we need to have a proper treatment for before we do the dredging. Apart from this, we are very keen that water quality should improve significantly, and for that we need to bring in lot of oxygen in the water. While pumping in of clean water does help Hussain Sagar water get cleaned in a space of time, it is essential that we speed up this process, and for this we have put right now some fountains in the Hussain Sagar Lake, and we want to take that exercise even more vigorously. In the years to come, we are sure with these interventions, the lake water quality will definitely improve. In fact, we have the data about the water quality in the last 3-4 years, and we have been able to achieve a much significant improvement in the water quality. Having said this, I must say that whatever we do, the interventions are engineering in nature, and our efforts will be successful only if we have a lot of participation of the people. Towards this end, we have started a Clean Hussain Sagar Forum, and it is an open forum for all the interested citizens of Hyderabad to come and participate in this. The forum activities are on the website. There are regular activities, meetings going on in the Hussain Sagar, and we want all of you to come and join in this endeavor of ours. Apart from this, we are also running a publicity campaign by the name of Clean Hussain Sagar campaign, which essentially tries to put on the message that you should not dirty the Hussain Sagar, whether in the nalas which lead to the Hussain Sagar or in the Hussain Sagar proper. You should not throw any material which is a pollutant which can cause damage to the ecology of Hussain Sagar Lake. And you would have seen we have started puja material gathering centers. We have divided the whole Hussain Sagar into 6 sectors and deployed enhanced number of people and with boats to see that the floating material are removed. We have also put up a working group in association with BITS Pilani to work, BITS Pilani, AP Pollution Control Board, and the Industries Department and an NGO to work with the industries working in the GD Metla area and see that the industrial effluents coming through the GD Metla Nala, or the chemical Nala as it is commonly called, is curtailed and stopped. It is our earnest desire that we must restore Hussain Sagar to its pristine glory. It may not become a drinking water source again, but let's keep it clean, neat. At least let it become a water sports body. Let it become a tourism spot. Let it become a place where every Hyderabadi can visit. Let it become a place where every Hyderabad can take pride that it is a city of Hussain Sagar.